Okay, we're at the park, and Miss Gracie is going to slide down the circular slide. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's watch you go.
Come on.
Go down the circular slide.
Come on.
Wow.
I'm right here. There we go.
There she goes.
How about that?
Wow.
Okay.
And she did it.
Okay, come on.
She went all the way down.
You want to do it again? Okay, go on back.
Yes, she did. She's coming back around. Look at her. Got her on videotape again. Here she comes.
Okay, here she goes.
Coming again. Here she goes. Coming up the stairs.
Wow, look at her go.
Here she comes. Watch her come across the bridge now.
Yeah.
You gonna come across? Here she comes across the bridge. Here she comes.
Here she comes. Here she comes.
Coming across the bridge. And she's gonna go back down the slide. Here she goes.
Here we go. Okay.
Here she goes.
Here she comes.
Whee! Whee!
There you go.
Yeah,
Right.
she went all the way down. Yes, she did.
You're going to do it again. You want to try
Yeah.
that?
Now she's gonna climb up this thing.
Let's see if you can do that. I bet you can.
That's very difficult there.
That's a really difficult one.
I don't know if she can do that or
No,
not.
Granddad, you get over here.
I'm videotaping her. I'm videotaping you. Be careful. Hold on tight to that bar.
I can't see.
Hold on tight to that bar.
Yeah.
And hold on tight to that bar. That's right. Now step up one more time.
I don't know.
Step up one more time. Hold on tight to that bar.
See if you can.
I better come around and help her.
I think you better.
Hang on just a minute.
Just a minute, honey. Granddad's going to help you, okay?
Okay, give me your hand. Okay, now come on up. Now step across. Hey, you got it. Yeah, all right. That was hard there.
There you go.
Yeah, but she did it though. You gonna slide again? Okay, here she goes.
Here we come. Where she goes?
Sliding again. Whoa! Yeah, she did it.
There she is.
Yeah, she did it.
I like that one.
She's having fun now.
Wow.
Looks like she's gonna do it one more time. Okay, we're gonna sign off.
Gonna do something else.
What do you think, Nana? What do you think? I got you on videotape here.
Come over here and help her with something.
Okay, all right, shut it off.